Good day, my people, and welcome to another funny video from World's Top Funny Videos.
Martin.
Yeah, this is the pool, Matty pool.
Matty, what I want? Matty, what?
I want a Spanish for me. Watch it.
They said I brother a cartoon, but me not blame him still, because she could have dissed him if him approach her.
You don't come from planet Earth.
So you know, think me get it already. Then me could have so much vitamin I left out the S. Me can have C, me have A. No, the S I first one me take from morning. Some of them you have to take them early morning, you know.
You look like a cross between a bullfrog and a bulldozer. All right. You see, if Labour Pain did have looks, would have favor you.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Hey, you see, if your mouth lip did 2 inches longer, you could have passed a really cute lady alligator.
All right, done now. Done.
Try not go near no swamp during mating season, though.
People, I didn't know Sir Michael Jackson are dead. He live in Jamaica. Them kind of something a rich man who love boast, but what then go on within a bed. I'm sorry for your brother.
Brother, you better than my girlfriend. I tell you, the woman is normal. The woman is so deep to it. Everything she do. You're too loud. I'm fling seed and a fling seed. Brother, watch it. Calm down. Calm down. My eye, calm my thing up. Yo, watch it. Bro, my wife, she can't find out nothing, brother. Come on, let me tell you this. I know to keep my thing. Yo, look for me, bro. Dog, I know what I look for you for. What's this? What's in the brother? I know buy shoes again. With shoes? I don't know about that. It's when she goes up. Brother, looking at me eye now, you what? Looking at me eye. I see him so sure. Watch out. Dog, I had a kiss off a man. My bill on my you. Dog. Yo, watch out. Dog, what you do? Brother, hold on. Dog, watch out. Leave me. Dog, you know take care of the brother. Hold on. Yeah, watch out. Brother, what you do, dog? I saw me take, yo. It's what she done. I see a pig. That's a yo. That's a leaf.
No. What make?
It went too raw.
What raw? You eat the meat?
No, serious.
So you eat pum pum.
Backside. That man is easy at all. No, me never ate it.
This is why some hot girl are dead for hungry at Jamaica.
I wonder why some man hot girl are dead for hungry. Cause cute man no want. Cute boy a pick breadfruit. Cute boy a climb breadfruit tree. Cute boy a go pick ackee for you. Cute boy a go to supermarket go buy chicken back for you. Cute man, that's why you not dead for hungry about.
Okay, look like you're a jack man.
Yeah, Jack man, I fuck last night I get weak.
What you get last night?
Yeah, I come 3 times in a hole.
3 times you come in a hole?
Yeah.
So you're weak out?
Yeah, I'm weak out.
Oh, so it make you walk so?
Me say none of them no want me. So me not fall in love with none of them. If they want a little and the money sound good, me be tempted to do it. But other than that, me not look no marriage, no in love, I think me get enough heartbreak in my life and me whole now. So they don't want me, they don't want me. They want they hide up on me, but I want to come to get a one bro. So me have to get money. And the argument
No like you. Me no business. Come lick out the wall. I'm a ball.
Come out on any.
Yeah, must.
Show Hot Gyal nails them. No?
They must love.
Okay. They're not bad, you know.
No.
Walk off then, no? Yeah, just spin. 360.
Oh, 360.
So you're the 360. Yeah. Yeah. Right, let's go.